how much growth can PPC really drive on its own? I would like to also share something that it's on my mind, because most of the time this is not as much about PPC growth, because PPC is traffic. So paid per advertising is traffic. You're increasing traffic to a listing that might work or might not. That's all. Increasing the right traffic, that should be the desired outcome. So you're not wasting spend on things that are completely irrelevant. But increasing traffic, this is how we are defining ads. We are increasing traffic to a specific landing page, to a specific listing, in this case, right, to a specific ASIN. Now, how much growth can PPC really drive on its own? Ads can drive a lot of growth. It really depends on the listing itself, so the product itself. Do you have a good offer? Keep in mind, even if you would do this for a different business type, let's say that you are driving traffic to your own service business. Okay, someone saw the ad, clicked on the ad, but then your web page looks like this ancient, like 50 years ago, like a website like that. And then you are wondering, okay, why are they not converting? And it's the same thing also with ads. It can increase growth tremendously, and it has its own levers. It has its own ad types, dynamic ads, static ads. So it had majority of the levers. Right now, my question when it comes down to how much growth can PPC really drive on its own is, have you tried the limits of ads? Because what is going to happen, and here I would just ask a question, a brand that we've managed for a long time, and right now someone else came, like new people in marketing and so on, and they are asking all these small questions, and they are like, okay, but besides ads, like what is the strategy, and what is like freaking don't understand. Your supply is limited. We did not hit yet the limit. Allow us to apply all the strategies that we know so we can hit that limit. But what strategies are like? It doesn't worth anything if I'm going to tell you all the strategies that we know how to apply. One, because you don't understand them, and two, because you're going to think that if I'm going to share all these strategies, or if I don't know how to share or how to name all those strategies, this is why I'm saying that it's really important to first know your limit when it comes down to ads. And once that limit, when it comes down to ads, then you can think of other things, pricing increase, increasing conversion for listings and so on. But if you don't know that, asking how much growth can PPC really drive on its own, you're not going to find out anything with it. But that is something that also it comes up usually in conversations with brands.